Is your computer having issue after the recent Windows updates? Is your computer too slow? Are you experiencing performance issues? If you do, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Shawa and I'm bringing you this guide today to fix your Windows freezing and Windows slowness issues after the recent Windows update. We're gonna do this in 4 to 5 easy simple steps. Without further ado, let's begin. Now for step number 1, what you want to be doing is just go to your PC, just go to this PC. Once this opens up, just go to the C drive, go to the Windows folder next. Once the Windows folder opens up, we're going to look for a folder called the software distribution. Make sure you go inside of the software distribution. Once you go inside there, just select everything and press Shift Delete. Now the reason we're deleting this is that these are the installer files for your latest Windows updates. We don't need them. Make sure you press Shift Delete only, and once you press Shift Delete, just go ahead and press Yes. Provide the administrator, click on Continue, just click on the tick mark. Some of the files will come as file in use. That's absolutely fine. Just select the tick mark and press Skip. And once it's done, this is the end of our step number 1. Now for step number 2, what you want to be doing is just open your Run, press Windows plus R to open the Run. Once the Run opens up, just type in Clean MGR. As you can see on the screen, Clean MGR, press OK. Make sure your C drive is selected because C drive is where our Windows is installed. Press OK. Once this cleanup window opens up, we're going to select everything, like each and every option we're going to select. As you can see, it is showing to the total amount of disk space you can gain. It's going to delete all the junk files, the unnecessary junk files, 122 MB of unnecessary junk files. Once everything is selected, just press OK and click on the delete files. This may take some time depending on how fast your hard disk is and how much space you're cleaning up, how much space you're gaining. Once this is done, that's the end of our step number 2. We're going to move on to the next step. Now for step number 3, what you want to be doing is go to your Start button and type in CMD to open the command prompt. Make sure you run this as an administrator. There's an option called Run as Administrator. Just click on that. And once your CMD opens up, it should be C Windows System 32. Once this opens up, we're going to run a system file checker tool. How you're going to do that is just type in sfc /scan now and just press enter. And depending on how fast your hard disk is, it's probably going to take some time, maybe even 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how fast your hard disk is. But we're going to leave it at that. Once this is done, this will be the end of this step. I'm just going to close it as of now and show you the next one. For the next step, you're going to go to the Task Manager and look for a tab called the Startup. Once you go to the Startup tab, you're going to sort everything from the enable status. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to disable any application that we don't want to be running at the start of the Windows boot up. So let's say you're starting the Windows. Some of the applications will open up as soon as your Windows is opening. So we're going to disable them, whichever is not needed. For example, I can just right click and disable this wave link. Now for the next step, what you want to be doing is just go to your Start button one more time. Type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on the Troubleshoot Settings. There will be an option called Additional Troubleshooters. Click on the Additional Troubleshooters. We're going to look for the option called Windows Update. Just click on the Windows Update and hit the Run the Troubleshooter. Once you hit the Run the Troubleshooter, it's going to start detecting any problem that you have with the Windows. It's probably going to take some time if you have the problem with the Windows, like any slowness or any freezing or any issue with the Windows update files, depending on how big of an issue it is. Once this is done, what you need to do is just restart your computer and you're going to feel your computer work a lot smoother, very faster, I would say, compared to what it was before. And it's going to fix any performance issues that you may be experiencing. So these are the 5 very easy and simple steps that you want to be doing. And if it fixed your issue, please let me down in the comment. If it didn't, please let me down in the comment as well. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.